Hello, so this is the 31st of May 2026. I'm reporting heavy rains in Berlin. I've seen water starting to come in again. At the crack, here's the line where we think it runs down and comes in at the bottom here, as we've reported many times. Now we have water starting to come in. It will get worse if the weather continues to rain. And we have the soot that has not been cleaned up from the last maintenance of the machine. 31st May 2026, reporting for the landlords. We require a clean-up. We still have no repair scope being delivered for the mold and the water ingest. Hello, this is the 31st of May 2026. Condition of the balcony. Obviously the top railing has been bad for a while. The ground floor, the floorboards have been reported by the Gutachter. I don't actually like to walk on it, but it creaks. Terrible, dangerous floorboards. This is structural damage that is not able to be repaired, has to be replaced. All the major beams, and so we have no repair scope for this work, and would like to say we are willing and waiting for repair work to be done on this to make this balcony usable. And the outside of the balcony showing the lateral structural beams with major damage, cracking running through the full length. I can't show all here, but when you get up close there with ladders, it becomes quite obvious the extent of the issues on not just the top railing, but the floorboards, the lateral structural beams, and the sideboards here. I've not seen weather protection in 14 years. Here showing the outside of the bathroom and the roller shutter, the broken roller shutter being held open with a piece of wood in order that light and ventilation can be done by myself. But anyway, inside the room we will show the mold. The bathroom once again reporting the category 3 mold spores congregating and all around the window frame and the roller shutter cover. If this roller shutter cover was to be worked on, those spores would be spread into the environment, into the atmosphere. We've been told that this is not acceptable for health. Mold is around the edges, running up the corners, possibly and most likely behind the wooden areas, and being the cause most likely by the fact we have no heating in the bathroom for over 1 year, no access to the solenoid there or the control system, and we maintain some sort of heat with our own electrical heater, try to alleviate the problem. And we were not given any understanding of how the mold would be tackled or the safety situation behind that, or the condition or methods of how the room will be returned. We have had no scope or offer at all for the heating. 31st of May 2026, showing the chimney stack and the rainwater ingest starting to appear again on the chimney stack due to heavy rain. Will reach the ground at some point, no doubt, causing massive category 3 mold locations within this area due to dampness, repeated dampness coming from the roof. Additionally, we have the 3 other roller blinds which are defect due to age and wear. This is not just the pulley, this is the actual roller blinds themselves that have worn through and are no longer intact at a couple of locations. Till this date, even though we've been reported repeatedly, we've not been given any opportunity or offer to have it repaired by anyone, any scope, any time, dates, or information.